Want to learn how to turn your mobile game dreams into a profitable reality with AdMob, just like my perfect hotel? First, head over to the AdMob website and create a new account or sign in. Setting up your account is crucial for tracking revenue and managing your ad campaigns. Next, create ad units. Choose the ad formats that best fit your game, such as banner ads for non-intrusive placement, interstitial ads for breaks in gameplay, or rewarded video ads for optional bonuses. Consider where in your game these will be placed. Now for the technical part, integrate the AdMob SDK into your game's code using your chosen game engine. This involves initializing the SDK and loading the ad units you created from AdMob. Make sure to initialize the SDK correctly. It is a must. Balance is key. Design your game so that ads enhance rather than interrupt the player experience. Rewarded video ads are a great way to achieve this by giving players a choice. Avoid bombarding players with ads, which can lead to frustration and low retention. Finally, track your performance. AdMob provides detailed analytics to monitor your ad revenue, user engagement, and ad performance. Use this data to refine your strategy, optimize ad placements, and boost your earnings. Good luck and happy developing!